สวัสดีค่ะ Good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you are doing very well because it's the test day, right? And I believe that you have already finished the test. That's why you are watching this video clip organized by Mr. Massey, right? So today in this class we are going to do something about um, the orangutan that we studied the other class. We have already talked about it and how the orangutan is suffering from the palm oil plantation and the people around it who are not really value the forest they've been living in. So in this class, you guys are going to do a project, a very tiny small project. It's an individual work. We called it a poster. We're trying to make, you guys are going to make a poster about orangutan, which I will show you what the poster is going to be about. Here's the work that you're gonna have to do. So creating a poster to save orangutan. Look at this picture. You know, this picture gives you a little bit of information about some of the one poster that trying to encourage people to stop killing orangutan. So it reads, we share 97% of his DNA and we have destroyed 80% of his habitats. This is one of the example, a good poster, because it conveys some message to the people who watch the poster. And look at his eyes. This orangutan eyes, he looks so poor, you know. So the good choice of picture and good choice of words that you are going to put in just to encourage people not to kill or destroy its habitat, right? So this is the rough idea of how what kind of information you can put in the poster. Now if you have a look at the next slide, let's look at what to achieve from this poster, from this tasks. Here is the purpose or the goal of the poster. You know, first thing, of course, you have to, the poster need to be able to attract attention of the audience when they're walking past the poster posted on the wall, and they would look at the poster and, oh, that's so attractive. It attracts people attention, right? The second thing, it needs to provide information. It doesn't have to be a lot of information. It can be just to increase an awareness. It depends on the purpose of your poster as well, right? So the purpose of this poster is to raise an awareness. So you have to provide some information or some word, choice of words selected needs to increase awareness of the people who look at it, right? So your basic goal needs to, the poster will have to make people stop and then look at the poster because it's so attractive, it's so eye-catching, and they read the information on the poster and maybe they take some action, like stop using the products containing palm oil or whatever that might destroy the orangutan's habitats, right? So this is the purpose of your poster. If you look at this, the poster, the green poster on the right hand, this is one of the example I found on the internet. It's kind of a good example too. So it doesn't contain a lot of information on it, but it gives a very clear idea of what the poster wants you to do, right? So it reads, his life is in your hands. Say no to palm oil products, and you shall save the orangutans. You see how they play with the words here, right? So basically he has, well, this person has got, his life is in your hands, but then he make these words bigger, larger, life, your hands, right? And here they say no to palm oil, no palm oil. They highlighted this and save orangutans. This is a really cool thing to do. And look at the picture. There's one hand over here, and then the person who made this try to insert the picture of the orangutan face, you know, so it looks like his life is really in your hand. And also he chose the color of green. I don't know what it means, but I think that might represent the feeling of saving the environment, so they use the green color. So this is what you have to do. You have to design your poster, your idea, put it in the poster, and give justification of your decision. Why do you choose these words? Why do you highlight this? You know, why do you make it stands out? No palm oil, save orangutan. Why do you use green and black and dark green over here? Give your justification. Okay, so that's one example. Right, what about the assessment? The assessment is going to be very easy. Poster 20 points and presentation 18 points. Okay, and I have the rubrics for you, and I believe that Mr. Massey has already provided you with the rubrics, the copy of rubrics everyone should have. Okay, let's look at the poster rubrics. For the poster, you need to cover the topic. It will have to be about orangutan and whatever you learn that destroyed orangutan's habitat. The use of graphics, you know, those pictures, those wordings, those fonts and size, right? Organization of your information. Okay, it means where do you put your image? Where do you put your wording? Do you want to put them together or separate to make it easier to understand? It depends on you totally. So I'm going to look at the organization of what on the poster. And the next one is layout and design. How do you lay out your stuff, your image? You know, if the design looks good, you know, you can include all sort of information that you think you might want to emphasize, right? Mechanics means that, you know, no spelling errors or any kind of those things, okay? So that's total of 20 points. Now, and then you're going to have to give a presentation. You have the presentation rubrics as well. You know, this is the presentation rubrics. Introduction and closure, just doing the same thing. You speak in Thai, you introduce yourself in Thai, and then you can continue with the English presentation. Okay, that's worth 3 points. Body language, you know, movement, make it natural. Eye contact, look at the audience all the time, just look into their eyes and tell them what you really mean. Voice, intonation, and then content or justifications. You know, you have to give me a reason. Why do you choose those words? What the color? Well, I don't know what color we should choose, but well, tell me if you choose the color red or orange or whatever color you have chosen to put on, or the text, the wordings that you would like to use. Okay? Now, that's about it. Okay, now this is the example of the poster from previous year, right? I'm not sure if you know Eric Rydisell. Yes, this is Eric. So he chose the picture of this orangutan, and he chose to use the words like, every time you use palm oil, you are supporting it. Would you kill your cousin? Yeah. Humans and orangutans share 97% of DNA. See? And this is what you have to do as well. You have to put your name in it. You have to state what subjects you're doing, like, you know, cultural geography of Southeast Asia, and you put your face, your picture in it. That's only one example, okay, of how you create this poster. And I don't want to give you a lot of to show you a lot of poster. I just want you to think about your poster. What kind of information or what's it going to look like? Okay, it depends on you totally. And if you don't have enough time in this class, it's okay, because next class we're gonna have a full time and I will be there with you, so you can always come to me and ask me any question that you like. Okay, I think that's probably about it, and thank you very much. Bye สวัสดีค่ะ